we're about to have the Nerf epic battle right here. NTT Stadium right there. And so me and him are pretty much worried. We're kind of nervous. Yes.
Yeah, I'm so happy to be here.
Yeah.
Look, you want to see we're gonna be like 1 million people inside
There's
here.
gonna be a lot of people in here.
Yeah, a lot of people.
So now we're just gonna like get dressed with our Nerf. Yeah. These are the Nerf that we're gonna be using.
We bring the best guns we have.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be starting now.
Yeah.
All right, let's go, Dio. I'm gonna be bringing this.
Yeah, he's gonna boy.
I'm cold, dude. I don't want to be.
I'm gonna bring my jacket, my super jacket, Old Navy. I work for a army. Look, army. Old Navy is like army. I know. Guys, I'm so. Oh my. Sir, you wanna be in our YouTube video?
Do you want to be in our team?
Yeah, hi. Say hi to this guy. Look, this guy. Look. Oh.
Ready to go.
Yeah, he's awesome.
Are y'all ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're ready to go.
Awesome.
Can we see you again? Oh, look,
This is the Artemis.
Yeah, look. Wow.
I wanted to get the Nemesis, but
Oh, the Nemesis?
Yeah.
in the U.S. it doesn't come out until the fall.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
No problem.
Guys, this is so awesome.
Oh my God, this is so awesome.
You see that guy?
So we're pretty nervous. So yeah, let's get dressed. No es posible. All right, see you guys there.